distance, but still you catch my eye. Tell me, baby, do you recognize me? Well, it's been a year, it doesn't surprise me.
Another fun surprise planned for Asher, but we're keeping it a secret. He's gonna have to wait until we get there. Are you so excited for the surprise, Asher?
Yeah.
What do you think it could be?
What is it?
I don't know. It's a surprise. I can't tell you. If you had to guess, what would you think? Santa Claus?
That's a really good guess.
We'll have to wait and see. What did you say? Where do you think?
Is it like a train?
Maybe. Do you like trains? We'll have to see.
Is it?
It has wheels. It goes around your Christmas tree.
Yeah, he said it.
Can you say it again?
Yeah. It goes around.
It goes choo-choo.
Choo-choo.
What is it?
It's a train.
Yeah.
You got it right.
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
I think I see it straight
We wish you
ahead.
a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas
Blowing
and a
its steam.
Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Did you know Mommy
We
used to
wish
work
you a
here?
Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Oh my
Good
gosh, she
tidings
said.
we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas
I
and a
think you're right. I
Happy
think you
New
might be the Christmas train.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish
Well, what would you
you
think
a
if we
Merry
just watched it?
Christmas and a Happy New Year.
You want to ride on it?
We wish you
I
a
think that's
Merry
the plan, isn't it,
Christmas.
Daddy?
We wish you a Merry
think it's
Christmas.
moving.
We wish you a Merry
There it is.
Christmas.
Look at all that
and a
steam and
Happy
Wow, look at that.
New Year. Good tidings
Engine
we
90.
bring to
It's like
you
going back in
and
time.
your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas
the
and a
engineer.
Happy New Year.
All right, there's the train, engine 90. And we have to go up to the ticket booth and get our tickets soon, too. Here's the coach cars. It's a very long train, as you can see. All right, we're headed up to get our tickets at the station. I ordered them online, so I think I just have to show them. And there's the little restaurant. I actually used to work there when I was in high school, and it's changed quite a bit since I've been here many years ago. And over there's the photo shop. That actually used to be a gift shop. There's
Alright, they're at the ticket window. How do you want to do this?
You can flip the seat.
What is this train called? This train called?
This is the coach card. This is our ticket then. Now you're going forwards. We made it onto the coach car. And it's a lot warmer in here than it is outside today, isn't it? It's sunny, but it's also cold today. And we're gonna take the train ride to Paradise and back. A 45-minute train ride. And you can see all the farmland. It's a pretty nice view from here, isn't it, Asher?
Does this open?
And this is the coach car. They've got it decorated for Christmas with the wreath and the bows. Have you been on the train before?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you love it just as much every time, don't you?
Yeah.
What do you think we'll see on our train ride? Do we see cows?
No. We had 2 seats.
Do you think we'll see... I wonder if the Cherry Crest Adventure Farm is open. Do you remember that place where they have the corn maze and everything? Do you think we'll see that? Do you think it's open in the winter?
Yeah.
It might be closed. We'll have to find out. And what else will we see? The Caboose Motel. Do you think we'll see the cabooses? Yeah. What do we usually see? We see the train pass us, don't we? When it clicks and connects to the other side. You like that part, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. I wonder how many times you've been on this train now. Did you know Mommy used to waitress on the train? Yeah, I used to serve the food on the train. And sometimes it would be really wobbly. I'd walk off like this, back and forth. Had to keep your balance walking on the train moving.
Asher, you've probably been on here at least 10 times, don't you think?
Sometimes we go, there's a little playground back there. In the summer, we'll go to the playground and just watch the trains too, don't we? You like to do that too, don't you? Yeah, that's fun day. Go to the playground and watch the trains go.
How excited are you?
So excited.
Say it again.
Are you ready, Daddy?
I'm ready. Are you ready, Asher?
Yeah.
How excited are you?
So excited. Is it gonna go soon?
Let me see what time it is. It is 11:53. It's gonna go at 12, so we're getting close. I think 7 more minutes. He loves trains so much that he has a pass to the Choo Choo Barn and a pass to the Railroad Museum, and he comes and rides the train, and he's been to the Toy Train Museum too. That's fun, isn't it? So many trains in Strasburg. I think this is the big coal stove that helps keep it warm in here. Do you see it? That's what keeps us warm on this chilly day.
Our equipment, though old, deserves the best of care, so please help us by keeping your shoes off the seats and cushions. Trash receptacles are provided in every car, so please do not throw any trash from the train or onto the floor. Count of your group to make sure everyone is accounted for and with you. Once we get underway, please make sure to keep staying in your seats.
Hey, Asher, are we all here?
And have your tickets and
How
electronic
many?
reservations out and ready to be checked back.
How many
into
of
the crew.
us?
Once again, we will be departing for paradise shortly.
And who are we?
Mommy, Daddy, and Asher.
Okay, all accounted for. Good job.
Whoa, whoa!
You sound like a train. What time does my clock say? Oh, it says it's 12 o'clock. I think that means we're going to be going.
Is Santa here?
I don't know, maybe.
Is Santa here?
Do you think he is?
We'll have to see.
Yeah. You think he's gonna come?
Yeah.
Do you think he's gonna see you?
Yeah.
Are you gonna tell him what you want for Christmas?
Yeah.
Christmas is less than a week away. Can you believe that?
Yes.
He's gonna have to go back to the North Pole and start getting ready soon.
Asher, I think we're moving. Are we moving?
Yeah.
Asher, make sure to remember if we see Santa to tell him that you want a snow globe, okay? Can you tell him? Okay.
Look at all the decorations they have out there. Oh, the stage looks like one of the trees fell down. The wind must have knocked it diesel train over there? That's a diesel train.
Can you believe that Mommy used to work here? That's crazy.
Yeah, I used to get free rides on the train all the time. Although I had to work.
How old were you, Mommy, when you worked here?
I was in high school up until college, so I think I was 15 up until maybe 18 or 19 I worked here. It's changed a lot.
Legislation of June 19, 2032. For over a century and a half, our little lives will serve the community of Strasburg. This is
The caboose is coming up.
many generations of passengers have traveled the road to paradise before you find both working coaches today. If you take a look at the right left-hand side and turn up on the hill, you will see the colorful cabooses of the Caboose Motel and Lodge. Very unique by motel standards, being one of the only places in the entire world you get to sleep in a caboose for the night.
Asher likes to go to the restaurant there sometimes too. There's the restaurant. You've eaten there, haven't you?
And you can actually stay in one of those cars.
You will see the flagpole and weather-vane
And I think back
National
behind it
Geographic
is where the
Museum.
toy train is.
The National Geographic Museum will only open on the weekends. In the winter, the world's finest collections of antique toy trains from a variety of manufacturers throughout the year.
Red Caboose Motel.
All the way to the early 1800s to present day, it's definitely a good place to go if you're a kid or just young at heart.
Look, is that a llama back there? That's pretty.
What do you think so far, Asher? Is it good?
The Strasburg Railroad is probably the oldest public utility in the entirety
Look
of
at all the what? The conductor is coming. He's gonna get our ticket.
Hi there. How are you? Good. Good. Thank you. All right, thanks, sir.
Are you wobbling with the train? It's a wobbly ride. Imagine trying to serve soup on a wobbly ride like that. Let's see, there's Cherry Crest. I think it might be closed for the winter. Yeah, it looks like it's closed.
The farm you're currently riding through is the Cherry Crest Adventure Farm. Welcome to the season. It has many fun activities weaved throughout its grounds, such as hay rides, double jump pads, giant slides, and much more. They even have one of the most unique corn mazes in the entirety of Pennsylvania. With ropes, fences, and bridges, and tunnels throughout, yes, even a cafe at its center, it is definitely an amazing maze to get lost in. Wonderful grow.
We'll have to go back there again next summer, huh? So much fun.
Wow, look at that slide, Asher. Did Asher go on that slide?
He was too afraid last year. We didn't go this summer.
He'll go on it this year, I think.
Cabin builders, I don't remember that.
Hey, Asher, do you think you'll go on that big slide this year?
Yeah,
I bet you will.
yeah, you're getting so brave.
Folks, take a look out the right-hand side of the train. We're the great Park Economy in Lancaster County, and we are very proud to have them as our neighbors. Now, folks, I got a question for you all. Do you believe in ghosts? Let me tell you a bit of a superstitious tale we have here on the Strasburg Railroad.
You do?
Believe it or not,
Asher,
once
do you
upon a
believe in
time,
ghosts?
we were running in this valley. Around the year 1900,
Who?
about 3 miles off to the right, something mighty peculiar happens. The ghost of that little
If it's a
locomotive
friendly
scratches
ghost,
snow by blowing back with its own
do you think
whistle.
it's a friendly
So,
ghost?
put a stop here whenever the you're going
It's a
quiet,
friendly
listen very
ghost.
carefully,
Okay.
And we'll see if the ghost of that little locomotive is out there today.
Did we stop riding?
Yeah, so we could hear the ghost. Do you hear him echoing back?
Are we gonna go back?
We're gonna keep going. Yep.
Now who said that was an echo?
Was that an echo?
Nonsense. We pay that ghost $27 a day just to do that for us. That makes it the highest paid employee on the railroad. Now granted, no one's ever seen that ghost, but someone still keeps cashing all those paychecks.
Paradise is coming.
Oh, there's a horse and buggy. Right there in the road. Here is the oldest graveyard in Lancaster County. Kinda hard to see anything.
Oh, yeah.
The view over here is much better.
The train is copying you now. Now let's go. There's the engineers. That was so nice.
Thanks,
I don't know.
Now mommy's your footrest, I see.
I see it.
Mommy's got her footrest down here.
I got
Oh, you're gonna fall off. No, I caught you. I caught you.
I can.
Now I'm your seat. Oh, we getting back up. You need help? Help? Oh, you got it.
but still you catch my eye. Tell me, baby, do you recognize me? Well, it's been a year, it doesn't surprise me.